Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essential files, prod, keys, and title. Keys belong in Ryujinx's system directory so the emulator can decrypt games. Once done, copy your legally dumped NSB, XCI, or NSZ files into an easier-to-find folder so you don't lose time later. Make sure you've installed the latest Ryujinx build and updated GPU drivers, because emulation needs current Vulkan/OpenGL support. You're setting the groundwork now, so the next steps run smoothly without cryptic errors or missing keys. Once Ryujinx is open, install your dumped NSB or NSZ via File Install File, or point the emulator to a folder containing XCI files so it scans them automatically. After the title appears, right-click to choose or create a profile and enable shader cache. This reduces stutter on subsequent runs. Make sure you configure controllers and select the correct graphics backend, Vulkan preferred, because these affect performance and compatibility. Doing this now prevents common startup glitches and saves troubleshooting time. You're at final testing. Launch the game and monitor the Ryujinx log for missing key or NCA errors. These tell you why a title won't start. If the game needs updates or DLC, install them through the same install workflow, then play short sections to build a shader cache. If the game crashes or runs poorly, update Ryujinx, switch graphics backends, or clear problematic shader caches and try again. These steps resolve most compatibility issues and get you back to stable play fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.